Leaders. Disclaimer. This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome down to my channel. My name is Will from Leaders Road, and today I have an exciting opportunity to share with you that could change the game for all of us. If you are someone who believes in the DeFi space, but you are tired dealing with the shady projects that have no plan to action, no source of revenue, projects that are always changing the rules, promising refunds that never arrive, or if you are fed up of the Ponzi schemes projects where they are just paying the old investors with the money of the new investors, and if you are like me, probably you just want to generate a steady stream of passive income using crypto technologies, but something that you can rely on, not a bot that you put your money on it and it's gonna blow up your account in the first week. Well, my friend, I have some great news for you. I want to introduce you to this AI technology that has been generating profits between 1% up to 7% daily over the past few months. Now I know what you're thinking. You heard this before, right? But check this out. This bot is an app with artificial intelligence that trades on your behalf on your own Binance account. They cannot touch not even one single penny of our deposits. That means all your capital remains inside your exchange wallet account, so you don't have to send your assets to any shady platform, or you don't have to deposit into projects that will lock your crypto for months and months, or worse, we don't need to deposit anymore into projects that will take off in the morning. This technology could keep our funds safe inside our exchange platform accounts. It generates profits using a unique strategy. With other bots, they are using the same strategy for all the users, but this AI finds the best opportunities for us according to our conditions. They can trade with multiple coins simultaneously, and that is something that no experienced trader could achieve, but of course is achievable by an AI technology. The best part, you don't need to learn how to trade. It's only a copy-paste process, and I also have a detailed step-by-step guide. If at any point during this video you would like to take a look, you can have access to it. You will find it in the description of this video. Just keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence, do your own research, because I'm just sharing my experiences with these projects. If this is your first time here, welcome down. Constantly I'm looking for opportunities to help us generate profits in the DeFi space, and if you want to find out more, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. I will appreciate your likes and your comments. Now please watch the entire video because I have a lot of great information about this exciting opportunity. First, I want to get started by talking about my journey in the DeFi space. I got started a year ago, almost 1 year since I posted my first video in YouTube. It's been a great experience. I got a lot of people supporting me, and I really appreciate that. We all been learning together. We make profits together. We also lost money together. That was part of the process. I learned my lesson about tokenomics, investing in tokens that have no value outside the program, outside the project. In the end, you end up losing money. I like more projects that are into stable coins or big coins as BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin, but still, I don't feel quite comfortable every time I need to deposit into a new project. But as you can see here in the crypto bubbles, there are tons of opportunities every single day that we actually don't know how to jump into it and take advantage of that situation. First, you need to be an experienced trader, and I cannot be sitting down in front of the computer for hours and hours working in one strategy to get profits from one particular coin. So with this opportunity that I'm going to present to you today, I think it's gonna check all the boxes for me in terms of how to generate profits safely and how to keep diversifying into new opportunities that has a lot of potential, even when you don't know about that specific coin. So we got Cointech. This is an app with artificial intelligence that operates in your own exchange in futures market. As I mentioned already, all your capital remains in your exchange platform account. We only give them access to trade on our behalf. They cannot touch our capital. So every time you have profits, you can take those. If you decide to stop, you can stop and take your money. First, let's talk about the futures market. They say here, the cryptocurrency futures market allows investors to manage, buy or sell orders for a cryptocurrency at a specific price and date, allowing them to speculate on the future value and profit if the price drops. When the future option came out, I remember everyone said that's very risky. No one can predict on what is going to happen with a coin. But this bot is doing something very interesting. They are running back testing. They take all the information they have about a particular coin for the last few months. They set the stop loss in a way that can generate profits according to the data that they collect. And actually having coins that have a lot of fluctuation can be more beneficial than investing on those coins that are moving sideways. They are using something called hedge trading. It opens two positions in the same trade. It will have different layers of buying and selling. They know where to move next and where the average price to take profits needs to be placed. Right now, CoinTech2u has only two options to integrate your exchange platform. One is Binance and the other one is called OKX. In my step-by-step guide, everything is going to be based in Binance. I'm showing there how to enable features, how to integrate your Binance account with the bot. But if you don't have a Binance account and you want to use a different exchange platform, so far we have only these two, so you can try the other one, the OKX. In both of them, as they say here, 100% capital and profits in your possession. No more depositing into platforms that can take off tomorrow with our profits. And right here, the app only performs operations without the possibility of withdrawal. And that is true. You will see that also in the tutorial. They are allowed to place trades on our behalf, but they cannot withdraw money from our accounts. Right here, we can see what's going on with the bot. If the market is on our favor, well, we're going to have great results. Here I can show you some of the results. This one, it's been running for 28 days. That was in February. And in only 28 days, he generates 47%. This one, 31 days, generates 83%. Look at this one, 58 days, and he generates over 141%. He has a capital right here of 10K, so his profits were over 17,000. Another one, 71 days. On those 71 days, he generates 190% in profits. His capital to get started was 10,000 USD, start on the 1st of January, and the profits that he generated was 28,000. Can we have losing days? Yes, that could happen. And actually, I saw some of the accounts of other people. They had a few losing days, but still, with the profits that you generate with this bot, in a long run, you can cover all of those. Now, how much does the app cost? We don't need to pay for this app. I mean, you don't need to buy this bot or you don't need to pay for monthly subscriptions. The app is totally free, but the only way they can keep this app running, they gonna charge some fees on transactions. That's the only deposit that you have to do here. It's like a prepaid card to pay the fees for the profits that you are going to collect. So every time you have profit, they will deduct a 20% over that profit. They split it in two. 4% of that goes to the dev, and the other 16% goes to the affiliate program. So yeah, that's how you can also generate some extra rewards if you decide to share this opportunity with others. Because remember, they don't have access to our accounts on Binance. But these prepaid cards to pay fees are going to help to maintain the site and to pay referral commissions. How to get started? Well, we just need to register. The minimum funding, well, this is wrong. This is not 25. It's actually 100 USDT. That's the lowest cost to get the point cards to pay gas fees. When you get a card of 100, they are going to give you 120 in your balance. 20 more inside your balance. And that is going to be enough for almost 2 months. You will see that balance inside your app. If that goes lower than 10 USDT, that would be the time for you to recharge. The minimum amount to get started, that would be 300 USDT. That means having only 300 inside your Binance account or your OKX account in order for the bot to perform transactions. We need to connect APIs in order to integrate our exchange platform to your bot. It's pretty simple. And the step number 5 here, create your strategy in the app. There are different ways to get started. You need to have a little bit of knowledge on how to trade BAT. As I told you at the beginning, I got you covered. I have a strategy that we're going to call it the Millionaire's strategy. That's not mine. Belongs to my upline. He gave me access to it, and he's allowing me to share it with you too. You will find it inside my step-by-step guide, and I will also show you how to compound and how to also get profits. I know some of us get so amazed about the results, and we just want to keep compounding and compounding, but it's important that we take profits. Every time we have some profits, if you want to do it weekly, that's fine, but take something from your week of trades. But it's always important to create that habit, not only compound and compound, because we don't know what could happen. Now this is safe, this is in our Binance account. You need to create that habit. Always collect some profits for you. Now, if you like to build teams, you can also find an opportunity here to generate some extra rewards. It all goes by levels. If you are ready to bring here some traffic, you can start to build bonuses for your team, starting from 15% all the way until 65%, or match bonuses that are going from 2% up to 5% in 8 different levels. And every time you bring more users, you are going to upgrade your rank. The level 1 and level 2 are pretty standard, but when you're in level 3, having a minimum of 10 referrals, that is going to rank you on the level 2nd. Profit team is going to give 2,000 USDT. Personal profit, 200 on this one. That means 30% on team bonuses and 3% in match bonuses. And every time you increase your rank, having more referrals, you will have, of course, more team profit and also more personal profits. They have a new rule now for the referral program. If you want to participate, you need to have a bot running with a minimum amount, which is the 300. So that's all that I have for now, guys. Thank you so much for staying here until the end. Let me know what you think about this one. If you found some value, I will appreciate your likes and your comments down below. And before we go, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. Take a look at the guide that I have down below. I already start my account. I can show you here real quick. And this is my Binance account. I have all the pairs here, all the bots that are running. Yeah, I'm super excited, super happy with this project because I can keep all my capital inside my account. Nobody has access to this. This is what we are looking for. At least this is what I'm looking for. Once again, I will keep you updated. If you have any questions, let me know. This is my review for the CoinTech2u app. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.